have you got here to show us?
Yeah, so we manufacture press tools
Okay, cool.
for plumbing and heating engineers. So the idea is, rather than using solder,
Yeah.
you use a press fit fitting. So it's a nice, clean way of doing a press joint. So you just fit it into the machine, and it's a press and go system. So there's no hot work permits required. So you don't need any solder, flux, that sort of thing. So it's a
And
dry
that couldn't have
seal.
been easier, could it?
So no, it takes just a few seconds to do the press. So that's the main advantage of using press over using solder.
And multiple press sizes, I guess.
Yeah, so I've just demoed the 15 mil. We do with this tool we do up to 35 mil.
Crikey.
And we do bigger tools, 54, 108 for industrial settings
Cool.
as well.
Great.
So yeah.
Cool. Thank you for your time.
Well, thank you very much.
Cheers.